for a tool to easily remove some facial hair, look no further than this dermaplaning Revlon tool. This helps eliminate peach fuzz on your face. I typically use it around my eyebrows and my upper lip area. You can use it in other areas such as your sideburns, your cheeks, your neck, and your face edges. I do want to call out this is not a razor. I use this about once a week and I've had it for about 6 months, and the blade is still pretty sharp. Even though the blade is sharp, it's also gentle, and I haven't had any cuts on my face while using it. Just make sure that you're careful when you are using it around your face. So when I use this, I just make sure that my skin is clean and dry. This gives the little hairs a lift for the blade to easily catch them. Then gently run the tool over the unwanted hair in downward strokes. Once you're done, all you have to do is clean off the removed hairs on the blade. I really like using this because it helps give smooth and even skin. It's actually really helped with my makeup application because now I'm applying my makeup foundation on more of an even and smooth surface. I also really like it because it does come with a little cover for your blade to keep you and your surroundings safe. Overall, I highly recommend this dermaplaning tool.
Today I'm going to give you my review of the Revlon Face Defuzzer. It's a dermaplaning tool. They come 2 to a pack, and you can use them to remove unwanted hair from your face, your eyebrows, your armpits, your bikini area, anywhere that you want to remove hair from and have a tool that gives you a little extra control. They come with a safety cap, and you take and you use them in a downward motion wherever you want to remove your extra hair from. You can clean them and store them and use them several times before they need to be replaced. I've been using these for years now. I used to spend money to get my face dermaplaned professionally, and now I save so much money by doing it myself at home with these.